Hello friends. Welcome to Tech Talks Engineered channel. Today we will continue with the discussion of SF6 circuit breaker drive mechanism. Before we begin with part 3, if you have not watched part 1 and part 2 of this video, please click on the links given. So guys, in this video we will see some important components of drive mechanism of SF6 circuit breaker. If we open drive mechanism box, we can see different components. This is the spring used for closing or opening operation of circuit breaker. Here we can see spring in compressed condition. This means that spring is in charged condition and ready for operation. These are on and off indications. After open or close operation, generally these indications are checked to see whether breaker is in open or close condition, and hence to check whether desired operation has occurred or not. Here we can see breaker is in off condition, meaning open. We can see these levers holding on sign up. Hence once we close the panel of the DM, only off sign is seen through indication window. In close condition, this on sign will slide over off sign with the help of the levers, and we can see only on sign through indication window. This is counter. As name says, function of the counter is to count breaker operations. Here counter lever is connected to the levers of on and off indications. Hence during each operation, due to up and down movement of levers, counter lever moves and hence counting is done. This is SF6 gas pressure indicator. This is copper tube which carries SF6 gas to interruption chamber. If we trace this tube we can see that this tube goes inside interruption chamber through these valves. These valves must be kept in open condition when breaker is in service. These valves are used to lock and isolate interruption chamber during maintenance work. By closing these valves, SF6 pressure inside interruption chamber is maintained and rest of the copper tube can be changed in case of leakage. Here we can see another important component, heater. Heater is used to keep inside of DM moisture free. Inside DM this heater heats up condensed water and moisture if any. This prevents any undesired short circuit inside DM due to moisture. This is heater regulator. Function of heater regulator is to switch on and switch off heater automatically according to set temperature. For this temperature sensor is fitted which is connected to regulator. This is 3-phase induction motor. This motor is coupled to piston chamber with belt. This piston chamber builds desired air pressure inside air tank. This pressurized air is used in pneumatic type circuit breaker for open or close operation. This motor is also automated. It starts when pressure is below set value and stops once desired pressure is achieved. Let's hear the sound when motor starts automatically when air pressure drop below set value. Lastly, important one, we can see this box on the side of breaker. In this box there is emergency switch. Once we pull this emergency switch, circuit breaker trips. This switch is used for emergency situations where breaker cannot be tripped with conventional methods. These emergency switches are located at different points depending upon design of circuit breaker. Here we can see TB for cable housing, and some contactors and switches. DM design can be different for different manufacturers of circuit breaker. So guys, this is about some important components of DM of circuit breaker. Hope you liked the video. If yes, hit the like button, comment and share. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.